from the Netherlands, and I want to show you my first project that I vlogged and put on YouTube, and it is about building a dinghy, a nesting dinghy actually. So we were looking for a dinghy to fit on deck to take with us on a long journey, and we've done some research, we watched some videos, and we found a video from a young English couple, and it's called Sailing Florence Around the World. And those are some really nice vlogs, and they have a nesting dinghy, a Spindrift 10, and you can buy the plans from B&B, and it will cost about $80 or so, and then you get the plans, the manual to actually build the complete boat, and it's very nice to build a boat yourself. I've also found some really nice videos from LNS, and I will put a link down below, and those videos come in really handy because he shows every detail to do, or how to make a wooden boat. So the Spindrift is ready, and it is really nice. It is rowing very good, it's sailing very good. I've got ourselves a Mercury 2.5, and it motors very well, so I'm very happy with the dinghy. And the nesting is also really coming in handy, I hope. I hope it will fit on the deck on the Sunbeam 39 that we've bought in January 2021. And this is my next project because we are refitting the Sunbeam completely, and we will put all the videos on YouTube as well. But yeah, I want to show you all the videos from how to make a nesting dinghy, and if you have some comments or questions, please leave them down below, and enjoy the videos.